You've probably made at least 3 of these mistakes without even realizing it, and they're slowly killing your channel's growth. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 biggest mistakes that are keeping small YouTube channels stuck in obscurity. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to leverage cutting-edge AI technology to create faceless content that actually converts. Let's start with the brutal truth about why your channel isn't growing. You're probably planning your content like you're ordering takeout at midnight, completely random and based on whatever feels good in the moment. This scattered approach is content suicide. Your viewers need to know what they're getting when they subscribe to your channel. Think of successful channels like a Netflix series. Each episode builds on the last, creating anticipation and loyalty. The second mistake crushing small channels is perfectionism paralysis. You're sitting there waiting for the perfect lighting setup, the perfect script, the perfect everything, while your competitors are publishing content and learning from real audience feedback. Here's what nobody tells you about starting on YouTube. Your first 100 videos will probably be mediocre at best, and that's exactly how it should be. Every successful creator started with content that makes them cringe today. Impatience is mistake number 3, and it's probably the most channel-killing habit of all. You upload a video, refresh your analytics every 5 minutes, and when it doesn't explode overnight, you assume the algorithm hates you. The reality is that YouTube's success operates on geological timescales, not social media timescales. Here's where it gets interesting for faceless creators. Mistake number 4 is gear obsession, but if you're creating faceless content, this actually becomes your secret weapon. While face-to-camera creators stress about lighting, you can focus on value. Tools like TubeMagic AI are revolutionizing this space by helping you generate scripts and concepts without showing your face. Speaking of TubeMagic AI, this platform is solving one of the biggest challenges for faceless creators: consistent content production. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can input your niche and keywords, and the AI generates comprehensive scripts. It's about creating content with data-driven precision. The fifth mistake is comparison trap syndrome. You're looking at channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers and wondering why your content isn't performing the same way. This is like comparing your first day at the gym to someone who's been training for 5 years. Those successful channels have refined their content through thousands of hours of trial and error. Inconsistency is mistake number 6, and it's absolutely devastating for algorithm performance. YouTube's algorithm rewards channels that publish consistently. If you're uploading randomly, the algorithm can't build that predictable pattern, and your reach suffers dramatically. Pick a schedule you can actually maintain. For faceless creators, consistency becomes much more manageable with AI assistance. TubeMagic AI can help you batch create content concepts for entire months. Mistake number 7 is treating your audience like they don't exist. Small creators often make content in a vacuum, never responding to comments. Your comment section isn't just a place for random thoughts, it's market research gold. Every comment tells you something about what your audience wants to see next. The 8th mistake is format rigidity. You found one video format that worked okay, so you're beating it to death with every single upload. Successful channels constantly experiment. Maybe your tutorial videos perform well, but have you tried reaction content, list videos, or case studies? Experimentation is how you discover what resonates most. Mistake number 9 specifically impacts faceless creators: poor audio quality. When viewers can't see your face, your voice becomes everything. Investing in decent audio equipment and learning basic audio editing principles isn't optional. It's absolutely critical for faceless content success. The final mistake is value confusion. Your viewers don't care about your production journey unless it directly relates to the value they subscribed for. Every minute of your video should either educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. If a segment doesn't serve your viewer, cut it ruthlessly. Now here's where TubeMagic AI becomes a game changer. It analyzes trending topics, suggests optimal lengths, and helps optimize titles for discoverability. The beauty of faceless content creation with AI assistance is scalability. You can potentially create multiple pieces of content simultaneously and optimize based on data. These 10 mistakes aren't just obstacles, they're opportunities. Every mistake you eliminate puts you ahead of thousands of other small creators. Remember, YouTube's success isn't about perfection, it's about consistent improvement. Start implementing these fixes today, and your future self will thank you.